Okay, let me continue with the Kuala Lumpur story. Now you can see few things which is important for this Kuala Lumpur virtual tour. Now one of the things that you need to see is the Padang or the field area, which I'll share with you later. And the other thing is the two river that is flowing in. One is known as Gombak River and the other one is known as the Klang River. Now what happened is actually in the early days, when I say early days, in the early 1800s, so about 1800s onwards, there was a group of people that came from Indonesia, which is the Sumatra Island, especially from a place called Padang. Now who are these people? Who ran away from their home country, and they are the people called as the Mandailing people and Minangkabau people. Then there was a clash between the Dutch people and also the Mandaling people. Now what happened, that a group of people, Mandaling people, who went to Mecca, you know, the Islamic center, they went there and they started to study about Sharia law, and they want to impose Islamic system Sumatra. But people in Sumatra, especially those who are in authority, the Minangkabau people, they follow custom and practices of their ancestry. And the Minangkabau people, they follow a system that honor the ladies. That means the lady are more important than the man. But these people, Mandaling group of people who went to Mecca and started to study about Sharia law and came and said that you people are following the wrong teachings. And one other thing is rooster fighting. Now, how many of you like rooster fighting? As for me, personally for me, I disagree with this. Though around the globe you can see from the South America or India, rooster fighting is a common thing. It is a type of gambling. So this group of people known as the Padri. The word Padri, it means priest, but they are not Christian priests. They are actually Islamic priests, or imam they call them. These people said, you are doing the wrong thing. You are actually using, you're gambling, and this is all not right. But this being their custom. So there was a clash. So what happened? The people in authority of Indonesian, the Minangkabau authority started, they called the Dutch to help them. So since there was a clash going on, they started to run from a place called Padang. Padang means field. That's why later I will tell you about a place in Kuala Lumpur, or in the map itself you can see a place called Padang, means field. People, the Mandaling people, they ran from there to find new opportunity in Malaya at that time. So some of them, they came to the Klang river mouth and they started to travel, and they end up where today Kuala Lumpur is. The early community of Kuala Lumpur was Mandaling people from Sumatra, Minangkabau people from Sumatra, and these people, they lived at a place where today that you can find a building called the Oriental Building. That is the area, the Malay area known as the Kampung Rawa. But Sultan Puasa came at the tender age to Kuala Lumpur, and he became very important person, and he started to call his own people to come over to Kuala Lumpur so that they can start doing tin mining. See, tin mining was very important. Kuala Lumpur grew because of tin mine. So now what we are looking at, this very old picture, it's a very important place where today if you are standing where the mosque is, which is the Sultan Abdul Samad Mosque, which is the in between of these two rivers. If you are standing there,